Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Nur alom from ARTAN'S teaching. If you're new here, don't forget click the subscribe button and bell icon for never miss an update. What if I told you that English speaking is not a dream but a goal you can achieve? Imagine confidently introducing yourself, traveling the world, or achieving that important interview all by mastering English. Sound good, right? Today I wanna give you some guidelines which help you on your English speaking path. You don't need to be perfect to start. Step by step plan to make your English journey fun, exciting, or rewarding. Let's dive in. I want to say that learn new words more and more. Learn new words more and more. Everybody know that vocabulary is the fuel for your English speaking engine. So if you want to continue and long your speech, so you have to know, you must know more and more vocabulary, new words, more and more words. So you have to learn new words every day. So I want to say that learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them, don't just memorize. Okay, for example, excited. Excited, a word. Use it in a sentence. For example, I'm excited to learn English. I'm excited to learn English. And called. Called another word. Use it in a sentence. I called my friend yesterday. I called my friend yesterday. So I repeat it again that vocabulary is the fuel for your English speaking engine. So you have to know more and more vocabulary, I mean word. So learn new words daily and don't just memorize, use them in your daily life. Okay. And next I want to say that you have to do listening practice daily. Minimum 15 minutes to 30 minutes, I mean half an hour, you have to listening practice daily. You to do listening practice by hearing English music, watching movie, TV show, news, and English video as this video. I want to say that listening practice might help you gain fluency as a native speaker. So don't waste your time and every day you should to do practice listening practice. Okay, so listening practice can play a big role in your English speaking journey. So you have to do listening practice daily. Okay, next I want to say that you have to do speaking practice regularly. I want to say that speaking practice is the key of fluency. You shouldn't be shy and fear about your mistakes, about your speaking skills. Avoid them and go ahead. If you want that you will be a native speaker in English, you should avoid shyness. You should do speaking practice regularly. Okay, and next I want to say that learn idioms and phrasal verbs. You know that idioms make your sound more natural and give a fluency in your speech. For example, spill the bean. Spill the bean is an idiom. It doesn't mean spreading the beans on the floor. It means uncovering a secret. And see this phrasal verb, come across. Come across means unacceptably meet with someone. For example, yesterday I came across my friend at the market. And another sentence is, I came across my teacher at the playground. I unacceptably meet with them. Right? So if you want to make your speech, lecture, and conversation engageable and interesting and fun, you must know phrasal verb and more idioms. And you have to use them so carefully. Okay? So let me know your thoughts in the comments about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.